Hey everyone, this is Frank from UPDF, and today we're talking about UPDF's powerful Convert feature. It lets you turn your PDF into exactly what you need: Word, PowerPoint, Excel, CSV, image, text, RTF, XML, and even HTML. If you do not have UPDF on your computer, go to the link down in the description and grab a copy for yourself. Converting PDFs to images. Let's start with converting your PDF to an image. With UPDF, you can turn any PDF into an image with just a few clicks. It supports PNGs, JPEGs, BMPs, GIFs, and TIFF formats. Here's how we do it. Open the UPDF app, click the Open File button, and select the PDF you'd like to convert. Click the Tools button and select Image in the PDF Converter option. A new window will pop up. Here, select the page range that you want to convert, image format like PNG, JPEG, TIFF, GIF, BMP, and you can choose to convert every page in your PDF into a separate image file by selecting each page as an image. Pull only the existing images from your PDF by choosing Export All Images, or combine multiple pages into a single long image. Once you've set everything, just hit Apply and you're done. Now let's see how you can convert your PDF to a Word document. If you need to edit text or repurpose content, this is the easiest way to do it. And UPDF keeps everything looking just like the original. Here's how we can do this. In the pop-up window, select Word as an output format. Next, select the page range and the word count style. UPDF gives you two options for how the content will be laid out. Retain Word flowing style. This gives you a clean, continuous Word document, kind of like how you'd write a normal Word file. It's great if you want to easily edit text and keep everything flowing naturally. Return text box style. This style keeps the original layout exactly as it is in the PDF by placing content inside text boxes. It's perfect for when you need to preserve the exact design, like for brochures or flyers. Just pick the one that fits your needs and you're good to go. You can also enable the OCR text recognition toggle if your document is a scanned document. Once everything is done, just click Apply and select the location where you'd like to save your Word file. Now let's look at how to convert your PDF into a PowerPoint presentation. This is super useful if you want to turn a document into a PowerPoint for meetings or school or sharing information visually. Here's how we'll do it. Select PowerPoint as your output format, then choose the page range, all pages, or a custom range. Now you'll see a section called PowerPoint Content Style with two options. Only for presentation playback. This keeps the layout exactly like the PDF. Great if you just want to present and you don't need to change anything. Content can be edited option. This gives you an editable PowerPoint where you can move things around, change text, or update the slides however you'd like. Once you've picked the style that fits your needs, just click Apply and you're done. If your PDF has tables or spreadsheets, converting it to Excel to edit or extract the data is easy to do. Here's how. Choose Excel as the output format and set your page range. Now, check out the Excel settings and you'll see three options. Create worksheet for each table can make sure that every table found in your PDF gets its own sheet. Great if your PDF has multiple data sets. Create a single worksheet for the document means that everything goes into one sheet, which is simple and clean for smaller files. Create a worksheet for each page helps each page in the PDF become a separate sheet in Excel. If your PDF is scanned or image-based, make sure OCR text recognition is turned on. Once you're set, hit Apply and you're done. Do you need your PDF in a different format? UPDF also lets you convert to CSVs, RTFs, TXT files, HTML files, and even XML in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at how to do this. Choose your desired format from the list: CSV, RTF, TXT, HTML, or XML. Set the page range if needed. You can also enable the OCR text recognition option. Hit Apply and your new file will be ready in seconds. If you have a bunch of PDFs to convert, Don't worry, UPDF has a batch convert feature that allows you to convert multiple files all at once, which can save loads of time. You get all the same formats as before: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, all the different types of images, PNG, JPEGs, BMPs, TIFFs. You get CSV files, RTF, TXT, HTML, and XML. And yes, all of the same options that you had are available, just like the one-by-one method. So let's take a look at converting multiple PDFs to Word as an example. Here's how we'll do it. Go to the home page of UPDF and click Tools at the bottom. A pop-up window will appear. Select Convert in the Multi-File Operation Batch Process section. Then click the Add Files button and select all the PDF files you'd like to convert all at once. Once the files are added, select Word as a Convert to option on the right panel. Select Word Content Style. You can also enable the OCR option. Once everything is done, click Apply and select the location where you'd like to save your PDFs. And that's a wrap. As you saw, UPDF makes it super easy to convert your PDFs into different formats. It's fast, it's smooth, it's hassle-free. If you want to give it a try, go ahead and download UPDF. We'll put the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more handy tips and walkthroughs of using UPDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.